In this video, I'll show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on LG TV. Step 1. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your LG remote. Select LG Content Store from the app menu. Step 2. Find and install IPTV Smarters Pro. Use the search function to look for IPTV Smarters Player. On some TVs, search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Select the app and click Install. Wait for download and installation to finish. This might take a few minutes. Step 3. Open and prepare IPTV Smarters. Open IPTV Smarters from your installed apps. Accept the app's terms and any initial prompts. When prompted, set device type to TV and select Save. Step 4. Configure your IPTV account. Choose your preferred login method, Extreme codes, M3U playlist, etc. Enter your IPTV service details, name, username, password and server URL. Click Add User to save the profile. Step 5. Enjoy your IPTV on your LG TV. Select your created profile to log in and load channels. Browse and watch live streams or video on demand from your IPTV provider. And step 6. If you can't find the app, not all LG TV models support the app. If it's unavailable, you can consider using an external streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick or Android TV box. And that's how you use IPTV Smarters on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. And I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day.